wife, Mommy Rose, together with our baby girl, no other than Eliza's Ray. Let's give them a big round of applause. Everybody, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you.
everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's give a big hand for Eliza's Ray. Happy birthday, baby. And of course, to bless our day, to bless our food that we are about to take later, may I call on Lolo Ray for the opening prayer. Everybody, please stand up.
Ama naming Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat, nagpupuri po kami at nagpapasalamat sa iyo. Higit po sa lahat, Panginoon, tinataas ka po namin sa oras na ito. Ama, maraming salamat po sa pag-iingat mo sa amin, sa bawat isa sa amin, at nakarating po kami ng maluwalhati dito sa may kaarawan. Panginoon, tinataas ka rin po namin, Panginoon, sa patuloy mong pagbibigay ng biyaya sa bawat isa sa amin. At maraming salamat po, Panginoon. Nawa, ikaw po ang manguna sa amin at sa aming mga gawain sa pang-araw-araw. Gayun din po, Panginoon, sa aming apo na magdaraos po ng kaarawan. Nawa, Panginoon, ikaw po ang gumabay sa kanya sa kanyang paglaki at ikaw po ang mag-ingat